Hello students, as we are discussing the basic rules to form Roman numerals, so in this video we will continue with some more rules to form Roman numerals. So let us see what they are. As I have told that the symbols V, L and D are never repeated. We are not repeating these symbols. It gets wrong. Formation of numerals if we will repeat these numbers, because there is no rule for repeating these symbols. And also students, these symbols are never subtracted. We cannot subtract these symbols from any other symbol also. We can add these symbols to any other symbols like V plus I or L plus X, LX, D plus C, and we can subtract some symbols from this like I from V and X from L, C from D, but from any numerals we cannot subtract these. Suppose I write Vx, so there is no rule for this, so it is wrong. Or LC, so you say from 100 minus 50, no, this is also wrong. So these symbols are never subtracted. We cannot subtract these symbols from any other symbols. We can subtract symbols from this and we can add symbols to this, okay, but not this. Can be subtracted from any symbol. Now see some more rules based on it. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X once only. The symbols which is I, we are subtracting from the symbol V and X. We can subtract these symbols from V and X only once. For example, see, I can be subtracted from V and X only once. For example, if IV is given, now the larger number is given to the right side of the smaller number. So what we are doing? From the larger number we are subtracting the smaller number. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. But we cannot write IIV. Okay? Because from these symbols only once we can subtract I, this symbol, not two times. So this is wrong and this is correct. Similarly, see, if I subtract I from X, it means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. But if I write IIX, so this subtraction is wrong. This is not correct. You can subtract only once the symbol of I from V and X. Okay, similarly, the symbol X can be subtracted from L and C once only. This symbol, the symbol of X also we can subtract from L. If we are subtracting this symbol from L or C, so we can subtract only once this symbol. For example, if you have to write 40, so you are writing XL, means from larger number you are subtracting the smaller number. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Okay, but you cannot mention it two times. Like 50 minus 20 is equal to 30 and all. So this is wrong. If you have to subtract, so you will write only once. This symbol you can use with L only once. Like this way, if you have to subtract X from C, so you can use this symbol only once. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So for X, you can subtract these symbols from L and C only once. Similarly, the symbol of C, you can subtract from D and M only once. You cannot subtract 2 times C from D. This is wrong. Or 2 times C from M. or 2 times D from M. These are wrongs. So see, if you are subtracting C minus D, so 500 minus 100, 400. Similarly, if you are subtracting C minus N, so M means 1000 minus C means 100, 1000 minus 100, 900. So these are some rules. Accordingly, you have to form the numbers in Roman number system. Now let us see one more important rule, that is when a smaller digit is placed between, remember students, the smaller digit is placed in between two bigger digits. It means the side digits are bigger than the between one. Okay, it is subtracted from the digits on its right side. So whichever the digit or symbol is given to the smallest digit right side, so we will subtract from that, and what we will do with first digit, we will add with that. Now see the example. If we have the symbol XIV, so what it says, X is, now we can say here big digit, I is a small digit, and V is also big than I. Okay, so both the side big digits are given, in between small digits. So what it says, the small digit will be subtracted from the digit its right side and add to the left digit. So left digit is X, so 10 plus, now from this we have to subtract, so 5 minus 1, so it comes 10 plus 5 minus 1 means 4, so 10 plus 4, 14. Now let us see one more example, XIX. Now this is big digit and this is also big digit, I is the small digit, so we will subtract this small digit from its right digit. So X means 10 plus, now Ix means 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 means 9. 10 plus 9, 19. Okay students, so these are some basic rules to form Roman numerals. So if we follow these rules carefully, so either the numbers are large or small, we can do it very easily without any mistake. So as we have discussed almost all the basic rules to form Roman numerals in Roman number system, in my next video we will do the exercise work based on the Roman numeral system.